Ate, ang dami ko mga suot ngayon na pang wedding. May wedding earrings, may wedding lunch, may wedding shoes. Ay, ang ganda! Ang tinapon. Oo. Wedding brief niya. Gusto niyo makita?
Oy guys, kundi wala pa post-wedding ay, bakit kayo dumiretso magtrabaho?
Nakita niyo naman po yung wedding. So, parang kailangan. Wedding din.
This is the red carpet premiere of Wonder
Abay, di ba? Pero napaka-engrande. Sobrang creepy. Yung photo off. Anong regalo niyo sa sarili niyo? Hindi ba kayo mag-honeymoon?
Parang medyo, magbabakasyon kami ng Philippines. But the honeymoon medyo, part of Singapore. Part of Singapore.
Wow!
So magsa-start after Holy Week, start na kami.
Wow!
As a supporting housewife.
Wow! So gusto mo na maging Disney princess?
Yeah. Panindigan natin. Oh. As a mermaid.
Oo, pero hindi ka mag-ano. Are you planning like theater? Any projects?
We shall see kung sakali man. If may opportunity, then why not? Of course, we're open. Especially kasi kami ni Je, kung ano man ibibigay ni Lord, if ever man i-bless na kami ng little nonchalant na bata. Nonchalant!
Imposibleng nonchalant yun. Imposibleng nonchalant
Hindi
yun.
mo address. So if ever
Baka
man,
nagtiteatro na yung paglabas.
baka nga eh. Nasa stage na siya actually. So we shall see.
Yeah. But last question, what will we love about your wonderful nightmare?
Sorry.
What will we love about the film?
Well, this movie talaga, it's a well-loved South Korean film that we're very blessed to be able to, the Filipina animation,